Hi friends, welcome to Terminal Coders. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem binary search tree lowest common ancestor. In this problem you will be getting two node values and you need to find the lowest common ancestor. Example, if you get the value v1 4 and v2 6, the lowest common ancestor will be 3. Okay, in this example, if you're getting v1 3 and v2 6, the lowest common ancestor will be 4. Like this, you need to find. Okay, let's start. We need two vectors here. I'm naming vv1 and vv2. In vv1, we will enter the path to v1, and vv2, we will enter the path to v2. Let's start. Okay. Next, we need one temporary variable to traverse through the tree. Okay, now initialize it with the root while t not equal to null. Enter. Okay, we need to push the t to v1. vv1. If v1 is less than t data, then we need to traverse to left subtree. Okay, t equal to t left, else if v1 is greater than t data, that time we need to search in right subtree. Else means both v1 equal to t data. That time we can break this loop. Okay, now we can copy the same code for vv2. Before that, we need to reset the value of t to root. Okay, here we can use v2. Next steps are to find the least common ancestor. For this, we need to search from right to left. I equal to vv1 dot size minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. So we are searching from right end to left end for v1. The same for v2 also. For int j equal to vv2 dot size minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now we can compare. If vv1 of I equal to vv2 of j, then we can return either 1 or 2. Return vv1 of I or vv2 of j. Both are same because okay, return root. Let's try against test conditions. Okay, we are successfully passed the sample test cases. Let's submit the code. Hope it will work against all the test cases. Okay. Okay, it completed successfully against all the test cases. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share, or if you didn't like, tell me why you didn't like the video. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye, good night.